Hey there, I'm Teddy from TireDirect. How are you today? Have you ever heard about LT tires? Let me explain what it's all about. LT tires are light truck tires with a stiffer construction to accommodate more weight or offer a better protection when off-roading. They are composed of more layers than P or passenger tires, which are made of 4 layers. This type of tires comes in 3 grades: LRCs with 6 plies, who are often used on small RV or delivery trucks; LRDs with 8 plies. The LRE is composed of 10 plies of material and is more common with bigger trucks and pickups. To see whether your vehicle requires LT tire, refer to your owner manual or check the sticker in the driver's side door. If it says LT and a measurement, you need LT tires. If your truck is rated to use LT tires, it is highly recommended to stick with them. Interested in learning more about LT tires? Go to TireDirect.ca, then visit our blog section or click on the link in the description of this video. Thanks for listening and drive safely.